ओडिशा जगन्नाथ टेम्पल का रत्न भंडार 74 साल बाद आज खुलेगा।
नहीं, डेफिनेटली आज सरकार के निर्देश से रत्न भंडार का आज खोलने का कार्यक्रम है, जो कि 1 बजे के बाद जो भी उपयुक्त समय रहेगा उसमें सारे जो अधिकृत मेंबर्स है वो अंदर जाएंगे। उस पर ऑलरेडी हाई लेवल कमेटी के चेयरपर्सन जस्टिस रथ और चीफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ने ब्रीफ किया है, और जो भी एसओपी है फॉर सिक्योरिटी सारा एसपी के द्वारा इंश्योर किया गया है, इंक्लूडिंग फ्रिसिंग एंड अदर थिंग्स। और जहां भी गवर्नमेंट का जो निर्देश है एसओपी है उसके तहत सारा कार्य किया जाएगा। बाहुड़ा यात्रा कल हमारा गुंडीचा यात्रा के बाद ये हमारा कल बाहुड़ा यात्रा होना है, और सारी तैयारी ऑलमोस्ट फाइनल स्टेजेस में है। और आज आखिरी दिन है दर्शन का गुंडीचा मंदिर में, वहाँ भक्तों का समागम लगा हुआ है। बहुत सारे देश के विभिन्न प्रांतों से लोग यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, और कल सुबह तीनों हमारे प्रभु जी पौंडी करके वापस रथ पे अब विराजमान होंगे, और अपने बाहुड़ा यात्रा या रिटर्न जो कार फेस्टिवल है वो कल किया जाएगा। सारे अरेंजमेंट्स इंक्लूडिंग सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट्स आर इन प्लेस। सफिशिएंट मोबिलाइजेशन हैज बीन डन फॉर क्राउड कंट्रोल, ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑल अदर वर्टिकल्स। उसके साथ ड्रोन्स जो यूज किए गए थे रथ यात्रा गुंडीचा यात्रा में वही अरेंजमेंट रहेगा। उसके साथ वी एक्सपेक्ट मच बेटर अरेंजमेंट्स ऑल्सो, सिंस वी एक्सपेक्ट क्राउड थोड़ा कम रहेगा रथ यात्रा से, जो कि ट्रेडिशनली थोड़ा कम रहता है, तो वी एक्सपेक्ट मच मोर डिसिप्लिन।
Yes, meeting is already convened. State SOP is already ready in the matter of opening and taking stock of the jewelries inside the Vitar Bhandar and Bahar Bhandar to the earmarked places. We are going ahead. We have already fixed the time as per the advice of the Mukti Mandap and the Mahapandits. Appropriate time for opening will be 1:28 p.m. So we are trying to maintain that time. No, persons as per the SOP, so far as our committee is concerned, 2 persons of the committee has been authorized, and me as chairman and member, the senior most member, Dr. CBK Mahanti will accompany us. That's all. No, process is a lengthy process, cannot be elaborately discussed here. SOP is there. No, process we have reserved. SOP is there to guide us. Persons are there to take us inside. Then there also rituals are to be performed. Blessing of Lord Jagannath is already taken. We'll take the blessing of Ma Lakshmi, Ma Bimala and the Lokanath ji already inside, who is the Dwarpal of the Bhandar. So we'll perform all rituals before entering. No, that SOP has already clarified. Keys, it has not been opened for about more than 40 years. Last opening was 85, I think. So key works or doesn't work, it will be opened. That permission is already there with the government, by the government. Videography will be there. 2 parallel videographers are already there. Okay, thank you very much. Jai Jagannath.
The Ratna Bhandar, or the store of the ornaments and valuables of Sri Jagannath Temple Puri. There are 2 such Ratna Bhandars as per our information. The Bahara Ratna Bhandar, the outer Ratna Bhandar, and the inner Ratna Bhandar or Vitar Ratna Bhandar. So there are some structural safety issues to the inner Ratna Bhandar. So the Sri Jagannath Temple Administration has taken a decision, and the government had appointed a high-level committee headed by Justice Rath. So they have also given a report. Based on that and the recommendations of the Sri Jagannath Temple Management Committee, the government of Odisha has approved a an SOP, the standard operating procedure, as to how do we open those bhandaras. And as per the direction, we are going to do that process as per the laid down guidelines. The first the locks will be opened for both the Bahara and the Vitara Ratna Bhandaras, and then the valuables will be shifted to a temporary strong room. Those arrangements have also been made. And thereafter, the third page would be the inventorization of the ornaments and the valuables. That will be done subsequently, not today. So that will take time, and the guidelines issued by the government are very elaborate. So we are following the guidelines issued by the state government. Yes, as per the SOP approved by the state government, there are some authorized persons, including few officials, but there will also be Sebayat representatives for the opening. For the shifting also, there is a separate list of authorized people, including representatives of the Sebayat groups, the servitor groups, also from the ASI, from the collector, the representative of Sri Gajpati Maharaj, and few other people. For the inventorization, it's another elaborate process, but that will be taken care of subsequently.
So it's like for today only the things will be shifted.
We hope, and with the blessings of Mahaprabhu Sri Jagannath, we hope that the process will go smoothly. Yes, we are planning to visit the temple after 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. As per the Shubh Muhurt, it would be exactly 1:28 p.m. today, that is 14th of July 2024. And thereafter the process will be taken up as per the SOP given by the state government.
So we about the like the snake rescuer, because since it's been close to several years, these types of
To allay any fears or apprehensions, we are making elaborate arrangements. We have the medical team in there. Then we have also called a snake helpline, but that is again subject to any eventuality. We are prepared as per the SOP, and we wish and pray that the process goes on smoothly.
Like, share, comment and subscribe for more such videos.